Hi! Welcome to MAPEH class. I'm your teacher, Miss Grace. Today's lesson is about musical instruments of Lowland Luzon. And we're talking about the rondalla. Here's the table of contents of our lesson today.
Rondalla Overview. Musical instruments of rondalla. Question time. Rondalla Overview.
Lilac, what is rondalla?
Hello and good day, Ma'am Grace. Here's what I've found about rondalla. It is derived from the Spanish word ronda, which means serenade. It is an ensemble of stringed instruments that are played with a plectrum or pick. It originated in Spain but became most popular in Philippine folk music. Initially used as accompaniment to folk dances and traditional Filipino songs, but evolved its versatility and capable to play any genres or music.
Let's watch and listen to a rondalla music.
With contingents from around the world and musical traditions that have spanned thousands of years, it's a festival that unites the best in plucked string instruments. This is Cuerdas sa Pagkakaisa, the third International Rondalla Festival. Cuerdas sa Pagkakaisa, or Strings of Unity, is a festival held in the Philippines every 3 years to highlight the plucked string tradition in the country and elsewhere in the world. Realized by the NCCA Music Committee in 2004 through its head Ramon Santos, composer, ethnomusicologist from the University of the Philippines, the festival has grown to be one of the most sought-after international festivals. A 2-week-long, 2-part festival held in and around Tagum City, as well as the National Capital Region, including the University of the Philippines, Diliman, and neighboring areas. It is composed of an international conference entitled Tradition, Innovation, and New Directions. Concerts at the Tagum City Hall, outreach concerts that span several provinces, concerts in the National Capital Region or Metro Manila, a plucked string exhibition, public workshops, and master classes. The love of music transcends all borders, as exemplified by the international groups that have played every day for 1 week in Tagum.
Musical instruments of Rondalla.
What are the musical instruments of a Rondalla group? The first one is bandurria. So what is bandurria?
Bandurria. It has 14 strings that are made up of steel. It has shorter neck and fretboard, higher pitch than the other Rondalla instruments. It uses pick or plectrum to play the instruments. Bandurria usually plays the melody in Rondalla.
This is a bandurria. The second one is octavina.
Octavina. The octavina or Philippine octavina is a guitar-shaped Filipino 14-stringed instrument with a tuning similar to the laúd. It plays the lower notes in accompaniments, in counterparts, and in unison with the bass.
We also have laúd.
Laúd. Its shape is similar to the bandurria but bigger. It has 14 strings. Lower pitch than the bandurria. It has a longer neck and 2 F sound holes.
The next one is guitar.
Guitar. A 6-stringed with long, fretted neck which can be plucked with the fingers or with a plectrum. Larger body than the octavina with round sound hole. The guitar plays the accompaniments, plays melodies and counterparts, and provides the permanent rhythm for the group using chordal and arpeggio accompaniments.
And the last one is bajo de uñas.
Bajo de uñas. Also known as double bass. It is the largest instrument in Rondalla. It uses the hand of the musician to pluck the strings and create a sound. It has the lowest pitch in Rondalla instruments.
We can also add drums to a Rondalla group.
Question time.
So here's our question time. Write your answer on the comment box below.
Why do you think it is important for the younger generation to get involved to activities in playing instruments?
So class, I hope you've learned something new today. See you on our next lesson. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!